Hey there! So, imagine you have an XML file with different company information, but there's a small problem. The addresses are not consistent, and you need to change all the content in the address field to uppercase. This can be a common issue when dealing with data in XML files. Let's see how we can solve this problem efficiently. In the solution provided, you can use a simple find and replace technique to update the address fields in the XML file. By using a regular expression and the U operator, you can easily convert the text to uppercase without manually editing each address entry. This solution streamlines the process and ensures all address fields are in uppercase, maintaining consistency across the file. Overall, this solution offers a quick and effective way to tackle the problem of inconsistent addresses in an XML file. By following the steps outlined, you can efficiently update the address fields to uppercase, ensuring uniformity in the data. It's a simple yet powerful solution to streamline your data processing tasks. In summary, addressing the issue of inconsistent addresses in an XML file can be easily resolved by using a find and replace method with regular expressions. By converting the address fields to uppercase, you can ensure consistency in the data format. Remember, a little bit of regex magic can go a long way in simplifying your data management tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.